Hello, in front of me I've got Star Wars Outlaws. In this video I'll show you how to enter and manage your abilities. In the beginning, let's go to menu, and now go to abilities. Here, on the left side, you can find experts. Experts can be found in-game further. Select expert, and here you can find abilities. We can learn from him. To unlock abilities, you have to perform challenges. For example, defeat enemies affected by fast attack using the stun shot. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.